In today's video, we're answering a common question that we get when we're helping people who are facing criminal charges. They want to know, is it better if I go to court even if I hire a lawyer? So they'll hire our office, we'll tell them you don't need to go to court. They'll be concerned that them not being there may be problematic. So we're going to answer that today. First and foremost, let's say this. If you've been charged with a felony, the rule is you have to go to court, okay? Unless your lawyer tells you otherwise, unless a judge specifically waives your presence, unless there's some extenuating circumstance, you have to be there. You have to go check in. So this question is really moot for felony charges. You will be in court whether you want to be there or not because it's required due to the seriousness of the charge. However, if you're charged with a misdemeanor, by and large, we can appear on your behalf without you being present. We can waive your presence for most of the underlying proceedings. So pre-trial conferences, case management conferences, trial readiness conferences, by and large, we can waive your presence. You do not need to be there. So people get concerned about that. They think, well, if I'm not in court, is a judge going to see that or is a prosecutor going to see that? And really the way that it works is not going to impact your case. Not going is not going to hurt you. It's also not going to help you. It really is just a procedural process that we go through when we have a series of these pre-trial conferences. The courtrooms are usually pretty full, so a judge is not going to know you from the next person. They're not going to say, oh my gosh, Mr. Smith was not there, therefore we're going to have additional penalties or make the plea offer harsher or anything like that. They just don't even notice it. And most of the time when they have an attorney, they're expecting you not to be there. You need to be there when we need you for a purpose, when we are obviously scheduling your case to trial. That's the final court date at the end of the case. You need to be there for that. If there's an evidentiary hearing or something where we may need you to testify or be there as a witness to see what happened because it's substantive, you got to be there. But if it's procedural, we really don't need you to be there for misdemeanor cases at all, unless there's some explicit reason for you to be there, and you'll know that from your lawyer. But don't worry about it. People get real concerned about it. They think, I really want to take this seriously. I want prosecutors, I want judges to know that I'm there, and they don't. They just don't know that you're there. There's so many other people, there's so many other things going on. It's fine if you let your attorney handle it for you. Now, if you want to go, you're welcome to go. You're welcome to go and sit in court and wait around while your lawyer does what your lawyer does, but it's just not typically required. Sometimes there are situations where we specifically tell you not to be there. If there's a situation where there's a very active victim, alleged victim in the case, who's going to be there, and your presence may also just cause some confrontation and make things more heated, we may specifically tell you not to go to court. But if you do want to be there, it's of course your right to be there. You have a right to come to court and sit through the pretrial conferences and attend all of the proceedings if you want to. But one of the major benefits of hiring a lawyer is that you can go let us handle this stuff while you deal with what you need to deal with in your life and have things get back to normal as quickly as possible. You can go back to school, go back to work, spend time with your family, do the important things that you need to do so you can return to a sense of normalcy. Let us deal with the legal stuff. So is it better to go to court even if I have a lawyer? Doesn't hurt you, doesn't help you. It just is the way that it is if it's a misdemeanor. If you are concerned about this, if you'd like to speak further, if you have a criminal case that you want to have us help you with, give us a call. We offer free case evaluations. We'll put together a solid plan for you so we can help make this all go away. Look forward to speaking with you soon. Thanks for watching.